What you want to play, Mr. Bunny Rabbit? What you want to play?
We want to play.
Let's play then. You gotta count. You count. No, you gotta count. 3. Ready or not? Who's on the outside? Come on. Knock knock. It's Mr. Deer. Hi, Bunny Rabbit. How you doing? Yes, I want to play. Yes, I want to play. What you want to play? Let's go play inside. Your house all the way over there. It's cold out here. You got some hot chocolate? Can I come get some? Where's the hot chocolate? Pour me some. Pour me some. Thank you. That was good, Bunny Rabbit. Thank you. Thank you. Give me hugs. Oh, kisses. Mwah. I love you, Bunny Rabbit. You're so cute. You're so cute, Bunny Rabbit. Now what you want to play? Outside. You always want to go outside, Bunny Rabbit. Let's go. Now what we gonna do? That's a big mountain. I'm gonna get up there. However, when I get up there?